Welcome all parents and teachers to yet another exciting hoop intervention session. Today we're going to talk about spatial orientation. Now, what is spatial orientation? That is the ability to identify the relation between an object and the observer. For example, left, right, in front, behind, under. Let's take this through to the classroom. In the classroom situation, that would be when a child has to tell you where is the puppy sitting. It's sitting in front of the box. Teacher, now it's sitting inside the box. It's sitting under the box. You see? Right. So problems with spatial orientation sometimes only manifest a little bit later. Teachers will recognize this immediately. Once children go to school and they start writing, we often wonder, why do they write top instead of pot? Why do they write tack instead of cat? Why the struggle with place value or writing numbers in incorrect order? That is because that very important building block of spatial orientation is missing. So let's start at preschool level and make sure our children master this very important aspect. To reinforce the skill, we're going to need a few things today. We're going to work hands-on and we are going to use things that we have in our home. For today's session, we're going to use a washing basket. We're going to use paper and crayons to trace hands. And we're going to use an egg container and buttons or colored beads, whatever you have at your home. So let's see how we can use this very strange collection of items to improve a child's spatial orientation skills. Once the child has mastered these activities, you can also use our Grade RR Remedial Intervention Workbook. Have a look on page 48 and 49 where you will find very valuable spatial orientation activities. I want you to quickly go and sit inside the basket.
Okay.
Bailey Bunny, where are you?
I'm right here in the basket.
Very good. Okay, now get out of the basket and hop to the front of the basket. Where are you now, Bailey?
I'm right in front of the basket.
Wonderful. And now one last thing. Go and hide under the basket. Bailey, where are you?
I'm under the basket.
Well done. In this activity, we're going to spend some individual time with the kids. So I'm going to trace Bailey's left hand. Bailey, look here. I'm tracing your left hand. Okay, there we go. What is teacher doing?
Tracing my left hand.
Very good. Let's see. Well done. Okay, now we're going to trace your right hand. What is teacher doing now? Tracing your right hand. I want you to show me the green button. Well done. Now take a white button in your hand. Put the white button under the green button. Good. Now take a red button in your hand. Put the red button above the green button. Take a yellow button in your hand. Put the yellow button next to the red button. Now let's see if you are really, really clever. I want you to take a purple button in your hand. Put it in the top left-hand corner. Well done, sure. Okay, now you must take a pink button in your hand. Bailey, put the pink button in the bottom right-hand corner. There we go, well done.